Hello YouTube, it's me Class 1000 and today I'm going to be doing the Nottingham Tram with a twist. So, if you don't mind me explaining, we're going to ride the Nottingham Tram and every 10 minutes we'll spin a wheel full of cursors to try and stop us from getting to our destination in the city centre. I hope you enjoy this video and let's begin. So, we're going to come on one of the trams now. This is in the centro. Let's get on. This is on board. Gonna get in the very front seat today. So, the next station should be Sumwood Lane. So, Dad, Dad's here with me today. So when I've asked him to, when we depart, it's going to start time of 10 minutes, and then when that 10 minutes is up, we're going to need to spin a curse. So, let's get going. Well, let's wait for the tram to start first, then we'll get going. Right, and off we go. Let's begin. So when 10 minutes is up, we'll spin a wheel full of curses. We've just departed Clifton South.
This tram for Phoenix Park. The next stop is Summerwood Lane.
So this is Summerwood Lane. See? So yeah. Summerwood Lane. The next stop's Holy Trinity. Holy Trinity. We just have 5 minutes left today. Well, not today, but like for the curse. So 5 minutes. Halfway there. Can't wait to see what curse we get. Right, South Lurch Drive North. So we only have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on the timer. Hopefully it's a good curse. Time to go speedy. Trams like to go really speedy down here.
You just have to wait if it goes off. Otherwise, I'm afraid.
Okay, it's curse time. Spin the wheel. Tap to spin. Let's go. You can only walk. Now we're stuck. How are we going to walk to the next tram stop from here? Well, we'll have to walk. What the heck? This gimbal, honestly. Gosh. Right, now we need to work out which way we're going to walk. Yeah, okay. Right, now we're going to have to walk to, is it Compton Acres, I think?
Yeah, walk with the others.
Okay, right. We're walking, I believe the next stop is Compton Acres. I believe. Compton Acres? Dad, can you check the map quickly?
There's no map.
Search it.
Go for it.
Okay, let's just go. Right, so I'll see you on the other end, at the end of this everlasting path. Look at this tram, got a Bombardier. Right, so far we're walking to Compton Acres, I believe. I keep saying Compton Acres because I generally believe it is Compton Acres. What are your thoughts on this?
It's actually really good fun so far. I've been kicked off and I'm having to walk. It's a lovely day and I'm almost excited about where the curses take me next. So yeah, good idea.
You could say it's cursed so far. Right, Compton Acres is there. Oh, no, that's focus, not zoom. I believe that's Compton over there, but we're dealing it, even with a dodgy uncle, but we're managing. I just hope there's not a tram bound, otherwise we're missing it. But we'll manage. So yeah, see you there. Right, there's a Phoenix Park bound Citadis right here, and it's coming. Dad, come on, quick, we can make this. That's what we're gonna do. So this is Compton Acres, yes. Hopefully we can catch this tram. Right, let's get on this. Ooh.
This tram of Phoenix
We made it. Yeah. Right, we made it onto this. Let's continue. Oh, this tram is much smoother. So we've made it to Wilford Lane / West Bridgeford, and so far we have, I think, 3 minutes left on the timer. So yes, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So I'll see you when the next curse is bound. Right, time for the curse wheel. Wait, yes, time to spin. One, hit it. Okay, let's see. Only travel north. Well, that's easy because we are travelling north. Okay, well, simple. Right. Next stop, Meadows Embankment. We can only travel north, which should be very simple. Restart the timer. Okay, we're in the city centre, as you can see. That's the Toten branch that's going down there. There's the Carl Shrew Friendship Bridge over there. Carl Shrew Friendship Bridge. That's the road up to the station. So far we have 7 minutes left on the timer. So well, I'll see you at the next curse and see when it halts. Okay, so this is Nottingham Station. I said see you at the next curse, but well, we're not curses yet. Dad, can you show us the timer? 5 minutes left, 5.5 minutes left. So far it's kind of interesting, but well, we're into the city centre area now. We're technically in it, and we're on our way to Lace Market. It's curse time. We're just in Old Market, just about to approach Old Market Square. Every curse from now on lasts 5 minutes. That's good. Now click remove, because we aren't going to get that one again. So that's good. Alright, that's good. So just an explainer for what that meant. Every curse from now on lasts 5 minutes. So every curse for a certain amount of time, which I've not decided yet, will last 5 minutes. I think, should we do half an hour? Every curse in the next half an hour lasts 5 minutes. Is that reasonable? Okay, yeah. So every curse in the next half an hour lasts 5 minutes. Then it'll be 10 again. Okay? Good. We're going to get off at Royal Centre and do some shopping. So we'll pause the game. And cool. Oh, and that's basically a free space for 5 minutes. So no curses. Right, we're getting off now. I'll just record it. Dad, I'm just going to record the tram. Okay. So, when this thing closes. When it decides to leave. Taking a little long, isn't it? Gosh. Okay, hello YouTube. I have some bad news. So it turns out all the video I've recorded today doesn't have audio. I don't know why this has happened. We've had some technical issues, but I'll make sure to dub it over later and actually have the microphone on. So I'm extremely sorry about the inconveniences caused, but we'll try to work out where it shut off and dub over what hasn't been audio recorded. I'll make sure to have audio on for the way home. Hi YouTube, quick disclaimer before we begin the second half of this video. First of all, so it only turns out it was the last video that didn't have record. So you might hear some background noise now because I'm not using my microphone because it's out of battery, which is because I forgot to charge it before we left. So we'll have to begin. So right now our intention is to go back to Clifton South, but we're going to spin the curse wheel again. So Dad, if you want to do the honours, is it? Only travel on City's trams. Right, that's to home as well.
Yeah, the timer will start.
Okay, right. We can only travel on Citydis trams.
Citydis?
That's Citydis.
Let's go.
Are we going to Totem?
Yeah.
Where are we going to?
Clifton South.
Okay. 5 minutes, remember? Because I can't.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. I'm going to quickly set a timer for 5 minutes.
6 minutes away. 2 minutes away.
Our curse is 2
Let's hope
minutes.
it's a Citydis, or we're going to have another curse.
Yeah, you're actually pretty obvious there, aren't you? I've got face tracking on, so looks scary, innit? Alright, righty then. So it looks like we can only travel on Citydis. Dad, you know what a Citydis is, right? The one with the slanted front. Dad.
That I like.
Yeah, the Citydis. The one with the slanted front. So if this is an in-centro, then we'll have to travel straight, or we'll have to skip a curse. See you then. So you know what's absolutely stupid? This isn't a Citydis, so this curse is absolutely pointless. So basically, this curse is stupid and absolutely pointless, which means we're going to have to stay at Royal Centre for another 2 minutes. So that's a Citydis, you see.
Spinning again.
Okay, we'll be spinning again. You tell him, Dad. We're spinning again. Alright, so it's time to respin. It has started raining majestically, so we're going to respin, Dad. You can only walk to the next stop. We're walking to flipping Old Market Square in the rain. Alright, well, in the rain we go. Time to walk to Old Market. Next time has begun. Let's walk to Old Market Square. At least we have exercise. Sorry YouTube for respinning, I just really don't want to go back. Only travel on in-centro trams. Okay, right. Hope we can survive. Okay, so the tram arriving is in Citydis, which means we can't board it, which is kind of annoying. Okay, we didn't actually get to travel, but let's spin again. Shout out to Reel of Names for helping me make the wheel skip a curse.
Cool.
Cool. Free space. Alright, so we've got this tram coming in here. carbon neutral tram. I like that tram. It's very nice, the carbon neutral livery. How's it looking on the timer?
Imminent.
Right.
5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, right, let's spin the next wheel. Oh, I'll spin it again.
Still a work in progress, isn't it?
Yeah. Repeat the last curse. We get to skip another one. But we can't skip 2 in a row, I don't think. Will that be a bit?
We could do. Guess it's going.
Alright, yeah, okay. Right. So, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
That's cool.
We'll get to skip the next curse. Right, there's a Toten Lane bound tram coming now.
This is for where?
Toten. So this is tram 227, so Peter Mansfield, bound to Toten Lane. If the next curse says otherwise, right, off we go. Ideally, we should catch the next tram.
Should have got on one. When we play again, getting on and then
Alright.
the way, innit?
Do you think we should play this with the Manchester Metro link?
I can't see why not.
Yes, okay. If I'm not mistaken, our tram should be coming in 1 minute, yeah. I hope. So we should get on this really. Let's go a bit further back. Let's get on this then. Right, how long have we got on the curse timer?
Hey?
How long have we got on the curse timer?
Yeah.
52 seconds, okay. Right, I'll see you in the next curse.
On the tram and a wheel off it.
Why? So, only travel on in Centro trams, and since this is a city disc, we have to get off, which is annoying.
Have to wait here then.
Yep, until the next tram to Clifton South.
You're clever, man, so you might be able to edit out some of the...
I will, Dad.
And Dad talking.
Yeah, can't do that though, but that's fine. So Dad cast us at 10 minutes now, because my timer went off. Cast us at 10 minutes now, because my timer went off.
I've changed it to 10, mate, yeah. Whip it straight away. I guess you have to pay for that.
Yeah.
No, nobody. There's no people.
Only travel on cities. Yes, that's actually good. That's good. That's a good one. Yes, okay. That's our curse. Right, if you want to spin us. We've already done that, so...
Well, that can last 5 minutes, though, can't it?
Yeah, okay, right, that's a curse. So
again,
we have to
so-
respin,
yeah.
so this curse will last 5 minutes, not 10. I'll set my 30-minute timer in a minute. Only travel north! We've got to go north for 5 minutes!
That's the opposite way.
Okay, so as you're aware, we've just got only travel north, which means we have to travel to Phoenix Park or Hucknall, which is an absolute game changer. So now the game's been twisted around, I'm excited to see what will happen next.
Get a seat here, mate.
Are we not?
I don't think so.
Right there. Back on the trams, and we've got to go to Hucknall. This is stupid because we have to go to Hucknall. That's twisted us, Dad, hasn't it?
Still near that woman.
Right, we're off. Travelling north. Sorry. Okay, it's time to respin.
This tram is for Hucknall. The next stop.
Repeat the last curse. We've got to travel north again. For goodness sake, this is absolutely killing us. We're spinning. Only travel south. Right, we need to get off. Right, we need to get off and travel south.
Still got 5 minutes on, have we?
Alright, we're at the forest.
Absolute scenes if the next one we spin says only travel north.
Yep.
Nice day though, mate.
Yeah, at least it's a nice day. Come on, Dad. Is that a tram, Dad?
First thing.
Validated your smart card before boarding.
Ah, we're back on again.
South.
Oh, this is north.
The next
Human.
Yes, if this says north, I will be fuming. Let's spin. Complete the last curse. That's good. We can continue travelling south. Right. I'll see you at.
About the same distance we had, wasn't it?
I want to say Nottingham.
The next stop is High School.
I'd say we're about Old Market Square, maybe the Royal Centre. We're all next to you.
You ready?
It's curse time. Should we spin? You can walk to the next station. So we get to Trent University, we'll have to walk.
Yeah, there seems to be some hassle there, don't there?
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but we've been stopping for a very long time.
Should we start this now or not?
Yeah. No, because we haven't walked yet. We start it when we've walked.
Okay.
We've been stopping for a very long time. Very not sure what's going on. Right, we have to get off.
This is the Nottingham Tram University.
Right, we've got to get off and walk to the next tram stop, which will be a pain.
No, look.
Right, we've got to walk to the. We got to walk to the next tram stop, which means you won't get this one.
Let's start the first time. It's of course still set to 5 minutes. That's complicated rules here, aren't they?
Yeah.
We're doing a time lapse again, bro.
Okay. We'll have to optimise this when we do it the Metrolink.
Yeah.
Okay, cue the time lapse. Keep going. So we're here at Royal Centre. The next tram in 2 minutes, which is nice. And every curse from now on will last 10 minutes because my timer just went off. So yeah, we're waiting for the next train. Oh, we got to spin a new curse. Yes! What was the last one?
Walk.
Oh no, I thought it was travel south. We're gonna have to walk to Square. Oh no.
Walk for 10 minutes, isn't it? Walk to the next stop.
No, you just don't do the timer. We're walking to the next stop.
Well, time is on, bro. Time is on.
Oh, well, we're walking to the next stop anyway.
Wait, this is the road. We're going to walk straight across then, aren't we?
Right, cue the time lapse again. So we are at Old Market Square. There's a protest going on right now, so if you can't hear me, but we are back at Old Market Square because we repeated the last verse. Our tram is in 6 minutes, so it's 2 minutes delayed. Well, that's fine. So we'll see when our tram arrives. Wait, Dad, can you just move your thingy a bit to the side so I can see?
It's got the sun then.
Okay. Right, spin it. Skip the next tram. Oh, dang it. We gotta wait again. That's annoying, isn't it, Dad? That's annoying.
Well, the sun's out.
We can wait 7. Is it 7 minutes?
I think so.
I think it's. See what the board says. Yeah, we can wait 5 minutes. Fine.
Yeah, of course we can.
Right, so that was quick. Trying to get back on our tram.
Curse is on our side then, aren't they?
Let's get on.
There's lots of room on here, mate. To the left.
Slap. Right. Do you think we'll make it past the station this time?
Check the timer. Got 5 minutes, so yes, I do.
Yes, I.
You can get deep into the meadows.
Maybe we'll probably get dumped off at the meadows or something. I mean, at least at least at this point we've actually got onto the Clifton branch.
At least you're going in the right direction, bro.
Okay, right. See you when we get dumped off. Okay, so Dad was correct, and we are gonna make it past the station. Probably get booted off in the meadows, down somewhere near there. But at least we have made it past. I hope it's something like walk to the next station so we can explore more. And I hope it's continued to travel south. But we'll see. We'll see. Never mind.
Yeah, we might be not on one later.
Yeah. Are we travelling on those Centros?
What are we on?
The Citadus.
Got to get off then?
At the next stop, yeah. We'll have to get off. That's annoying. Right. Meadows.
Wait though for the next one, yeah?
Yeah, we are going to get booted off at the Meadows.
Just on a bit.
Right, we need to get off. Right. Oh, the Meadows. Okay, well, guess we'll wait here until Incentro arrives. 7 minutes in the next tram.
Centro's the new one, the good one.
Incentros are the old ones.
Oh, right. That hurts.
Hey, it's George Green. He's the one who beat me. So basically, we are stuck in the meadows. I think maybe. No, we aren't there, but yeah, there's nothing really here to do. So obviously we can look around, and that's about it. So I mean, there is this thing here. It says Trent Stores, but I mean, there's nothing, and we can't see it. It's pretty boring here. I mean, the next tram's in 4 minutes. They're both in 4 minutes, so maybe they'll clash. Generally, there's a bridge over there, there's an air conditioning unit, and that's about it. Meadows Embankment is boring, so if you see, it says Meadows Embankment, there's Meadows Embankment there, but like, I think there's this weird apartment block. You see, look? Yeah, but aside from that, the stop is generally just boring. I mean, down there you can see the city centre. But again, there's nothing to do, so it just makes it like that. It just makes it 10 times more boring. Oh look, there's a tram, there's a tram, there's a tram.
Let's go in a other way, I think, mate.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but it's taking the
Is
Toton Lane way. Only got Clifton ones here, haven't we?
Oh yeah, it's only Clifton. Well, I'll see you on the other side.
Right then.
Yeah, I'm filming now.
You sure?
Yes.
You know what you're doing, yeah?
Yes.
Brings it into focus and stuff.
Okay, let's get on.
Heading embankment. This tram is for Clifton South. The next stop is Wilford Village.
Only travel south. So we're on our way from Ruddington Lane to, what is it next? South Church Drive North is the next stop. You got 4 minutes and 49 seconds left on the curse timer. So yeah. And then I reckon we'll be booted off at Holy Trinity. I reckon
we'll be booted off at Wilco's while the people that shout go. I don't know, have we done the fast bit?
This is the fast bit here.
Oh, okay, fast bit. The school? Yes.
Yeah, this bit. The fast bit. Right, so obviously I'll see you when we get off. Right, let's see what it says. The curse wheel.
The next stop is Holy Trinity.
Oh, yes, we're on an Incentro. I bet we've done it, Dad. I think that's to the end, isn't it?
I reckon.
Yes! Yes, 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 yes. That's good. This is an Incentro. Oh, yes.
Okay.
We've been saved. Yes. We can get into him in 10 minutes, right?
I reckon.
Yeah, okay.
And it's 3 o'clock, so kind of perfect.
Yes. Alright, we've done it. Alright. This is by far my longest video I've ever done, but it doesn't matter. I'll see you at Clifton South. So we've made it. We've completed the Nottingham Curses Challenge. So basically, thank you to... Now's the part of the video where I'll do my shout-outs. Part of my video where I'll do the shout-outs. So, first of all, big shout out to Wheel of Names for doing the wheel, for the trams, for the curse wheel. We use the Wheel of Names website for the curse wheel. I actually created the wheel. Second of all, shout out Nottingham Express Transit for being such a good tram network. Next of all, we have shout out to obviously my dad, who was with me all of today. So thank you for watching Class 1000. Please like and subscribe. If you subscribe, it'll help me pop up more and we become more famous. And also, if you click the bell, you'll be notified whenever I post a short video or a community post. Like the video, so you can always come back and watch it later if you find it useful, or if you just generally like the video. Share if you want to share the video with one of your friends, and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for watching.